Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in front of us is Alam Shah Anwar. Yes, is ready to give a presentations. Yes, which is entitled Closing Entries, Accounting Based, Basic Topics of Accounting. Yes, correct hand for Miss Alam Shah Anwar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for being here. Today I will be presenting on closing entries. I hope this session will be insightful and provide valuable perspective. Definition of closing entries. Closing entries are a fundamental part of the accounting cycle. They represent a critical step in ensuring the accuracy and integrity of financial record. This presentation delves into the definition, purpose, and process of closing entries, explaining their importance in generating accurate financial statement and providing a clear slate for the next accounting period. Next. Purpose of closing entries. Number 1, to reset temporary account balance to zero. Temporary account include revenue and expense only apply to the current accounting period. Closing them prepare them for the next period. Second, to transfer net income or loss to permanent account. By moving the net result to retained earning or capital, the company updating to financial position. The last, to ensure accurate financial reporting. Closing entries help produce accurate financial statement by clearing out all debt. Next. Account close in the closing entries. Number 1, revenue account. Report all income earning during the period, such as sale revenue and service income. Their balance are transferred to the income summary account. Number 2, expense account. Include all costs incurred during the period, such as wage, rent, and utilities. Their balance are also transferred to the income summary account. Number 3, income summary account. A temporary account accumulate the next income or loss for the period. It is closed the retained earning or capital account. Last, drawing account atau if applicable. This account track withdrawals may be the owner of a sole proprietorship. The balance in transferred to the capital account. The closing process. Closing entries. Number 1, step 1, close revenue account. All revenue account are debits to bring their balance to zero, and the same amount is credited to the income summary account. This consolidate all revenue for the period, reflecting the total income generated. Step 2, close expense account. All expense account are credited to bring their balance to zero, and the same amount is debited to the income summary account. This consolidates all expense for the period, reflecting the total cost incurred. Step 3, close the income summary account. If the business has a net income, the income summary account is closed by crediting it debit the retained earning or capital account. If there is a net loss, the opposite entry is made. Step 4. Close the drawing account if for sale proprietors and any amount withdrawn by the owner during the period are transferred to the capital account by debiting capital and crediting the drawing account. Next. Important of closing entries. 1. Provide a clean slate for the new accounting period. By resisting temporary account, business ensure the next period start without leftover balance from the previous period. Second, ensure temporary account do not carry over. Preventing the carry over the balance helps maintain the integrity of financial record. The last, facilitate accurate financial statement. Closing entries are essential for preparing accurate and financial reports. Benefit of closing entries. Maintains organizing financial record. Closing entries ensure the accounts are clear and ready for the next period, improving bookkeeping of efficiency. Identify financial performance. By transferring balance to permanent account, business can clearly see here the net income or loss. The last, ensure compliance with accounting principles. Closing entries alike with the matching principles by ensuring revenues and expenses are recorded in the correct period. Conclusion. Closing entries are a vital part of the accounting cycle. They reset temporary account, transfer net result to permanent account, and prepare the business for the next period. This process ensures accurate and reliable financial reporting, helping business maintain transparency and comply with accounting standards. Any question, Al?
Please.
For opportunity, my question is, what is the purpose of closing entries in resetting temporary account balance? Thank you.
The question is, what is the purpose of closing entries in resetting temporary account balance, right? Closing entries reset temporary account balance to one profit or clean state for the new accounting periods, ensuring no leftover balance from the previous period. Number 2, maintain the integrity of financial record by preventing the carryover of balance. The last, facilitate accurate financial reporting as the help produce financial statement for the period. This is my answer, Elisa. Okay, next, anybody else? Raise your hand, please. Alright, Muhammad Ali.
And thanks for the opportunity. My name is Nur Muhammad Alif, and my question is, what is the purpose of making closing entries? Thank you.
The purpose of making closing entries, number one, to reset temporary account balance to zero. The prepare them for the next accounting period. To transfer net income or loss the permanent account, returning earning or capital. The last, to ensure the accuracy and completeness of financial reporting for the current period. This is my answer.
I think that's enough. Thanks for the answer.
Any question? I'll raise your hand. Yeah, Audia Nur Azhara.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. My question is, how do you close a revenue account? Thank you. My question is, how do you close a revenue account? Thank you.
To close a revenue account, debit a revenue account bring their balance to zero. Number two, credit the same amount to the income summary account. This consolidate all revenue for the period. Okay, this is my answer, Audia.
Thank you for the answer.
Okay, Fakian another.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. My question is, in your opinion, what is meant by temporary account in the context of closing entries?
Temporary account are account the accumulate balance over a single accounting period. This include revenue account, expense account, and the drawing account. At the end of the period, the account are reset to zero, and their balance are transferred to permanent account. This is my answer.
I think it's enough. Thank you for your answer.
Raise your hand. Siapa? Okay, Revelina.
Okay, my question is, what step can be taken to ensure the accuracy of closing entries?
Step to ensure the accuracy of closing entries. Number one, ensure that all transactions are recording correctly. Number two, verify temporary account balance, income, expense, and takings. Number three, makes necessary adjustment before closing. Number four, follow the closing sequence. Close revenue, expense, income summary, and drawing. And the last, use clear the documents for each entry. This is my answer. Five already? Five?
Okay, thank you for the answer.
Oh, sir. The paper is full.
Paper.
Conclusion, closing entries are vital of the accounting cycle. Yes, are vital part of accounting cycle. Closing entries are vital part of the accounting cycle. Vital. Yes. So, what do you understand about a vital? Why? Yes. Why closing entries are a vital part of the accounting cycle? Closing entries. Why? Why? Closing entries are a vital part of the accounting cycle. Yes. Why? Yes. Why?
About capital.
Yes, so you see, closing entries are a vital part of the accounting cycle. My question, why are closing entries a vital part of the closing cycle? Why?
The recent temporary. Capital a part of the accounting important the accounting cycle. And helping business maintain transparent and comply with accurate standards. Nggak ngerti. What's important? Important the accounting cycle because capital because capital helping for the company.
Okay, we close.
Thank you for the answer. Thank you. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.